How to fix this app version is depreciated error on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to fix this app version is depreciated error on Facebook Messenger, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Facebook. After searching for your Facebook, if you see an update available, then tap on update and wait for it to finish. Next, you need to go back to the search bar and type in Messenger and update the Messenger app as well if an update is available. Once both apps are updated, return to your home screen and open up your phone settings. After that, just scroll down. You'll find the apps section, tap on apps, and from apps, go with manage apps. Once you're on your manage apps, you need to just simply go with search and search for Facebook. Once you've searched for Facebook, or once you find your Facebook right here under the search, you need to go with force stop, which will be in the bottom, and then tap on OK. And do the same with Messenger as well. So remove this and then search for Messenger. And once you find it, just go and force stop this too. Once you force stop this, you need to restart your device. Press and hold on the power button and it will restart, and after restarting your device, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.